Honorable Principal, respected Chief Guest, dear parents, teachers and my fellow students. My name is Mamta Thakur. I study in 12th Science. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Subhash Chandra Bose was said that give me blood and I will give you freedom, independence. Only the one who has experienced slavery can truly understand its value. We are fortunate to have been born in a free India. The struggle for independence began way back in 1857 and continued for years, finally freeing our nation in 1947. Even today, India with ancient culture and civilization can and world because its continuous development and achievements, making every Indian feel proud. Mahatma Gandhi said that freedom is never dear at any price. It is the breath of life, a piece of knowledge. In this way, the entire family was proving patriotism to the nation, to society. If you did like, I can explain the deeper meaning or context as the latter is quite metaphorical and seems to be criticizing and misuse or misunderstanding of patriotism our generation. When the country need sacrifice, it called for fighters. When the nation was ready to bear the burden of death, is asked people to claim the globe. But today country does not ask do you fight. It does not ask to you die, to turn to dust or to be hanged. In my view, if a person does their work with a complete responsibility, dedication and honesty, that person is the greatest patriot. Today, patriotism with start as the WhatsApp DP to a tricolor flag and with singing a patriotic song telling about independence and sharing 2 or 3 patriotic posts with quotes and pictures on social media to gather likes. Patriotism is not small that it can be limited to a photo posted on one day. True patriotism is like the person who stands on the border, who understands hardship, who know the responsibility of guarding our borders. Patriotism should be like the farmer who sows seeds so that crops that can grow. Like the doctor who stays up all night, someone else can be the morning. Like the scientist who experiment throughout his life so that future can be bright. Like the soldier who stands at the border so can sleep peacefully. Patriotism should be like the person who does their duty honestly. In every changes in the state of the nation, there is a role played by our personal sense of the patriotism. So that every storm, our patriotism stand as proof. The if tide turn then. This sky is yours, this land is yours, this picture is yours, their sacrifice is yours. Yes, living is emotion is good, but it's more important to stay grounded. Is land was yours yesterday, it's yours today. Sometimes a battlefield, sometimes a land of duty. You know, people call it helplessness and put the blame of the government. But it's not helpless, it's your decision. Neither a sacrifice nor a matter of pride. If you are eager to donate something, the while you are alive, donate blood. After feeling your own family, donate food to someone hungry. This is the true gift of the life. This is the real patriotism and this is the true nationalism. Gandhiji said, you can chain me, you can torch me, you can even destroy this body, but I will never imprison my mind. In the end, I would like to see